So yeah, the program was really great to see the collaboration and the engagement that came out of the students who normally around this age they feel like they should be more mature and these subjects or these topics are too childish or kiddie for them, and they've kind of really forgotten to let go. But the drama activities and the mixed groupings really got them engaged and out of their shell and started to relax a lot more and definitely just enjoy the activity and get lost in it that they never really thought about or they thought too much about and they were really concerned or shy. And
It's interesting because this is May of the year of the school year already,
yeah,
right? It's almost over, and it's grade 2, 3.
yeah,
So, and now you've noticed, like in the 5 half days we spent together, that there was a lot of bonding going on. That
yes, yeah. The bonding has been great to see. We've had a few um, challenges with a lot of with several students in the class who don't mix well with each other, and we've been trying to find strategies to just make sure that um, they're they're supported, but also they do get that chance to intermingle and build relationships with each other. And nothing built it faster than these drama activities where um, they were set into groups where they didn't have that choice and they had to really just quickly think and solve the problem and act on it.
mm-hmm.
And I think that forced them out of their shell, forced them to work with each other and acknowledge each other in a way that normally they wouldn't want to spend time doing.
Yeah. And you noticed you said something about they really immerse themselves in the activity. Can you give an example?
Yes, today we did a town hall activity where we are talking about a new candy factory that is being built, but upon the land of all these beautiful trees and where animals live and their habitats. And on one side, they were getting free candy, which they love, but on the other side, they're losing precious natural resources. Plus, they are directly impacting the wildlife and the plant life that's around them, and thinking about what happens when we lose trees, what happens when animals lose homes. And we got into a huge town hall activity where there were three government officials who were acting upon the best interest of the candy corporation to get this factory there, but then the students were coming up with arguments against why this factory shouldn't be made, why they should reserve the land and respect the land as opposed to just getting free candy out of it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
They got pretty animated.
they did. It was getting very heated, and the conversations and the discussions that were coming out of the activity were rich, and there was a lot of role playing in and thinking about, well, if this was to happen, then what will happen? What would be the side effect of that or the consequence? And where can we collaborate or where can we problem solve, or we said it earlier, compromise. Where can we compromise where we can get the best of both worlds? Or
Right.
is this candy even worth it to lose this part of nature?
Right.
And most of the students came up with it wasn't worth it.
Yeah.
Like they already have candy. Right?
And yet they were pretty excited before the problems started.
Yes.
Yeah, about the candy factory. They were like very excited.
Yeah,
right?
they were all pro candy, and then when they found out that they'd be losing these trees, the animals would be losing homes, how it directly impacts all these different aspects they were thinking about because they were just focused on the candy.
Yeah.
Their minds quickly switched, and they're like, wait, we don't want to be the people who destroy nature and lose trees and hurt these animals. So they rallied, and they were really, really passionate when they spoke about how to protect nature and why this factory shouldn't be there.
Well, thank you. Thank you very
You're welcome.
much.